Today we're going to be washing my dog, Abby, who is not looking so good, so she's long overdue this wash. So we can start with like the more she can depth. My sweat like 100 years. Yeah, she was so long. I'm doing like her brush. Yeah. This is the finished product. Took me about like 10 minutes to dry her face. Her body's like soft because of the conditioner. And yeah, I try to dry her paws, but she doesn't really like it, so I had to not do that today. Anyways, I hope you had a great time watching this video, and I also hope that you have a good day, and bye!